Welcome back, wonderful viewers. In this video, I'm going to going over all the parts of a Chromebook through a dissected, not the dissected you're thinking of, Chromebook project. Stick till the end of the video to see the whole project. Hope you all enjoy. I did a project a couple of years ago of dissecting a Chromebook and displaying it. In front of you is a screen, which is connected by a ribbon cable to the motherboard. This specific Chromebook was touchscreen. Next to the screen is the front panel, which holds the screen in place, and you can see the metal sheet on the panel is to reduce any heat deformations to the plastic. Right above the screen is a tiny camera, which is connected through a signal cable. On the left and right side of the front panel are the metal hinges for the Chromebook, and they screw into the bottom panel, which holds the motherboard and the keyboard. On the top right is a metal panel for the keyboard, and the keyboard layout right below it. The keyboard connects to the motherboard via a ribbon cable. Below the keyboard is the motherboard. On the left side is the sideboard for charging, USB ports, and also the Wi-Fi card, all of which is connected via ribbon cables except for the Wi-Fi card, which is directly plugged into the motherboard. Right below the motherboard is the battery and the trackpad. The trackpad is connected via a ribbon cable, while the battery is connected through a couple of other cables. The last part is to cover the two speakers, which are connected through a cable. Honestly, there might have been more cables than electronics on this Chromebook. The full project looked like this. Some colors were added, which allowed for the display to catch attention. Overall, I really enjoyed this project of dissecting a Chromebook and turning it into a beautiful display. I really got to learn a lot about how Chromebooks and other laptops work. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Peace out from Tech It For Me.